I want you to think about something for a minute. This goes beyond your work life. This is at home too. If you're involved in an unproductive relationship, personal or professional, you're in decline. And probably you can feel that decline. You know it's bringing you down. You know it's not helping you in your life. You're in decline. If at the end of the day, you've done everything you can, I'm talking about your professional relationships now, and you've worked with this person and you've tried adjusting their role and you've warned and you've done all of these things, at the end of the day, if coaching doesn't work, ending these relationships makes us happier and our organizations healthier. And I'm also going to say it often makes that person happier too. I'm also going to suggest that when you take a moment of quietness, maybe you're away from work, maybe you're sitting on your back porch having a drink, maybe you're laying in bed, finally thinking about the situation, or you're going for a drive, or you're sitting on an airplane and you focus on the situation, which you haven't wanted to do because you've hoped it would get better on its own. You've hoped that you wouldn't have to intervene. You've not wanted to think about it because you don't want to entertain the possibility that it would come to this. I'm just going to suggest that honestly, when you're truly honest with yourself, you know in your heart when it needs to be over. Now take a few minutes and read through these next slides quietly to yourself.